everyone, welcome back to Sunday Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skip Sam from the 23rd to 27th of March 2026 on Monday. Feeling hurt, Nkosi retaliates against those trying to bring him down. Pax's progress angers his enemies. Pretty realizes that her efforts for a difficult client were in vain on Tuesday. Kwezi and Nkosi's relationship is on the brink of collapse. Pax pushes himself too hard and ends up hurting himself. Lehasa is surprised by an unexpected visitor on Wednesday. Peterson asked Lehasa to testify against Kwezi. Melita hit a dead and with getting her pageant off the ground. Fader is offended when Lehasa offers him a job as a dishwasher on Thursday. Fader threatened to harm Lehasa's wife. Melita demands Mr. Homos reimburse her for the money she spent on a private investigator to search for Ivy on Friday. Phumulo steps in, ready to handle Fader by any means possible. Someone flips the script on Nkosi and Kwezi, and the pressure spikes. Melita's longing for something bigger leads her into unexpected territory. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.